So today I'm off to New York. This week I've had such a bad week with eating. Well, I've had a bad 4 weeks with eating, but this week specifically. So Monday, cheese and wine. Tuesday, burger and chips, McDonald's. Wednesday, fry up, lilt and a bounty. TGI Fridays, 2 starters and ribs. Thursday, fry up, Quavers and a can of Coke for lunch, McDonald's on the way home, chip shop chips for dinner. Friday, I had Nando's for lunch and then fish and chips for dinner and then McDonald's on the way home. So now I feel like it's time to sort myself out. So I'm going to go down to Tesco's now and buy some food to make like a Buddha bowl thing. First thing I've done is put my gym kit on because I look rubbish and people can't judge you. If you've been to the gym, which I haven't, people can't judge you for looking rubbish. I haven't been to the gym for so long that I can't find my trainers. I'm having to wear my old ones. Match my matching running gear, gym gear, going to the shop gear. So they're alright. So here's all the healthy food in Tesco's. But then the food that I really want is here. The pizzas, but I can't have that. Cream cakes on offer, savage. So I've been to Tesco's, other brands also available, to buy some healthy stuff. They have coconut water on offer for £2. So I've got 3 bottles, obviously. Going to New York today, can't take it with me. I look horrendous. Okay. So I'm gonna make like a Buddha bowl type thing. So I've got tomatoes, chicken, red pepper hummus. I'm guessing you have to have some sort of dip. Couscous inspired. Oh, Moroccan. I thought it was saying that the couscous was inspired, but it's not. It's Moroccan inspired couscous. An avocado that's really, really squashy. My favourite. And that's it. So I can't buy around Tupperwares. So one that I'm going to do for work, I'm going to use this little soup. So I do it that layers. I'm really going to get loads of comments that this isn't even healthy, but I just feel like it's better than eating burgers, isn't it? Oh, old Sue Ellen's going to go mental. My mum's big bugbear of me cooking is the state the kitchen's left in afterwards. Not that this is cooking, obviously, this is spooning. So I've got smoky barbecue chicken breast chunks. Everyone used to tell me that these weren't healthy because they were pre-packaged, but Clean Eating Alice, or Alice Living as she's now known, she uses stuff like this, so if she uses it, then it must be true. Tomatoes. Probably won't use all of these because apparently you can make yourself allergic to these. If you eat too many, then you become allergic. Avo. Oh, it's so squishy. I'm just cubing it. Doesn't need to look nice, do you know what I mean? And then reduced fat red pepper hummus. I hate people that call it hummus. Why? Why do that to yourself? I'm just going to have a teaspoon. Where does the Tupperware go? For work I'm not going to take any of this because I can't find anything to put it in. So I'll just use some olive oil at work. So that's my little bit of healthy, I say cooking, it's not, it was spooning out into a bowl. There is my little Buddha bowl for today. I might put some actually I'm putting nuts and seasoning.
Near Lexington.
Lexington, okay. Yeah, I know.
5-5, yeah.
Cool.
So, to explain where we're going, gave him my key card and he was trying to read the address off the back of there. So I'm just gonna get ready and then go and get some breakfast around the corner and then get my theatre ticket. So basically, I know that like rubbish. Last night we got here and went to TGI Fridays in Times Square. So my healthy eating didn't really go well because I had, you know, like the sharing platters you can get, I had one of them to myself. I'm not going to go for a run around Central Park, I've decided, because why? As you can see, my skin's slightly getting better, but I've left my skin treatment at home because it's so brutal that literally I just need a break from it for 2 days. Because literally my skin, like you lose the top 3 layers of your skin. So at the moment it's just like, the acidy feelings stop though, which is good, because I don't use the right kind of foundation. I'm not like putting a load of makeup today, just enough to go out for breakfast and then to see a show later. I think I'm going to see Waitress, because I love the music and I sort of broke my own rule, which is don't listen to the musical show before you see it. I like to be wowed when I go in. I don't know the music, but I couldn't help myself and listen to it. And I really like the music, so probably going to see that because Bette Midler's on holiday, so I can't go and see Hello Dolly. I'm sure the understudy is lovely, but it's my home girl. The light's quite harsh in here, so obviously I can't see what you're seeing currently, but I bet it looks like I look like an absolute drag queen, my preferred look. But it should be alright when I get out into the light. I've also got to do, I'm judging a beauty pageant in a couple of weeks' time. They've asked me to do like a little video. They've asked me to do a video to say like, you know, what I'm looking for and wish the girls good luck and say I can't wait to meet them. So I need to do that at some point, and I haven't looked nice enough in the last like 3 days to do that, so I will be doing that today. So last night I turned my heating up to 82 Fahrenheit and I just walked back into my bedroom and it literally hit me like a sauna. Horrendous. But I love it. I love how I said I wasn't wearing much makeup and I've like literally like a full on face on. I can't. You've seen the beginning of this video, you know I can't subject people of New York City to this song's makeup. So I'm going to somewhere called Little Collins for breakfast. I saw on Becky Casey's Instagram, the New York Queen. I've been to Collins Avenue in Miami. Wasn't much to write about. And it's also one of my favourite OPI nail colours. That is bright. Oh, that is really bright. I don't think they've got a lipstick to go with this. Let's see. That's better. No point doing much with my hair because the humidity is my friend, as we know from the other 50 girls. And yes, I am wearing the same dress I wore in my last New York vlog. My New York dress. So not actually as warm as I thought it was. Actually a little bit freezing. So I need to go back and get my jacket before I go back into Times Square. Right, plan B, went to Little Collins, so busy, queuing out the door, can't get in there. So I'm gonna go to Broadway, I'm gonna go to Times Square, and get my tickets for Waitress today, get a salad, come back, get back into bed till showtime. Plan. So I couldn't decide between Hello Dolly or Waitress, and I'm gonna know between both. Like, do I do rush tickets? Do I do 2KTS? And then I walked past Hello Dolly, and I was just like, do you know what? Even though it's not Bette Midler, I need to go. Like, I just love musicals, and it's classic musical theatre. In other news, I've just walked over some Subway grating and had a full-on Marilyn moment in the middle of Times Square. So I've got my favourite New York food, Dos Toros. I'm going to go back to the hotel now and have a little relax before musical theatre glory. So I'm at Hello Dolly Act 1 has finished. I've cried once already. It is the most amazing show and Donna Murphy is amazing. I love it. So I'm back from the theatre. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Literally, I can't even. It's just amazing. And now I've just been to somewhere called Chopped with a T and got this salad, and it's been like ninja-fried into like shredded, and they'd run out of the healthy dressing, so I had to get Caesar. Awkward, but I'm trying to be healthy. It's a start. It's like lettuce, avocado, chicken, egg, tomatoes, onion bits, olives. Can't wait to eat it.